Hi guys, welcome to Tasty Food Plug.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I
How are
just
you
wanna
doing
make it
today? I
last.
hope you
Try
are
to
doing
let go
great.
of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the
I'm
blast.
cooking
Sleepless
black
nights and
soup with
headaches stack.
fresh bitter
Restlessness
leaf.
to hell and back. What's my purpose?
Please
What do I
subscribe,
grab? A
like,
slippery
share,
surface, a heart attack.
and comment.
And
So
sometimes
you'll
you
be
just
needing two
gotta
fresh fish.
believe.
Cook fish
There's
with some
something
spice of
that'll
your
give you
choice. Add
relief. There's
seasoning cube.
something that'll have what you
Add ginger
need.
powder.
What you need. We're
I'm
broken,
doing this
it's
so that the fish
tragic,
will
we're
have
not
taste.
all
Add
elastic, but
garlic.
maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of
Add thyme.
sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite
Add
vastness of all
oregano.
that is
Optional.
blackness.
Add curry. Add salt to taste. Add onions. Add little water and simmer the fish for just 5 to 10 minutes. You can use any spice of your choice, but doing this is just to let the fish have a good taste. It's ready. Remove and put aside. So allow it to dry so that the taste will stay with the fish very well. Add water to the pot. This water is for the soup. Add new stock. So this was my new stock. I keep it in the fridge. I start cooking like this. You can use any meat of your choice, but I use cow milk and stock fish. Add dry pepper or fresh pepper. Add palm oil. I use palm oil because this is what was available to me. You can use palm nut. Cover and let it boil out. So this is a fresh bitter leaf. I already washed it.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try
You
to
can get
let
this
go
in
of
any
the past.
African
I
store.
close my eyes, embrace
Add
the
water,
blast. Sleepless nights and
add
headaches
your
stack.
onions,
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
add water so that it will blend very well. Your blender
Sometimes
will
you
not be
just gotta
seasoned.
believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what
So
you
this is how it's looking like.
need.
This is
What
not
you
that smooth.
need.
I will still blend
We're
further.
broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but
Add
maybe
minced
there's
bell
magic.
pepper.
Believe you could
It's
have it,
optional.
and I know of
This is
sadness,
just
the
to give it
anxious and
flavor.
panic, the infinite vastness of all that is
Please
blackness.
subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And for my returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you. Well blend. So it's ready. So this was the second part. I did not add the bell pepper so that you see how green it was without the bell pepper. So this is how our leaf is looking like. So back to our pot. So this was cooked for just 5 minutes, just the water and oil. Pour in the blended in. stir very well. Cook for 15 minutes before adding anything.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights
Please
and
subscribe to my
headaches
channel if you have
restlessness
not
to
done
hell and
so.
back. What's my purpose? But
Share,
do I
like,
grab a slippery
leave your
surface, a
comment,
heart attack?
and let me know what you think about this delicious
Sometimes you
soup.
just gotta
It's so
believe.
nutritious, healthy, and it has a lot of benefits. If you are a diabetic patient, this is the best thing you can ever take. Your diabetes will just disappear once. Fiam.
We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic.
This
Believe
is
you could
after it
have
has
it,
been
and I
cooked
know
for
of
15 minutes.
sadness, the anxious and panic,
If you
the
think that
infinite
it's too thick, you
vastness
can
of
add
all
a
that
little
is
water.
blackness.
So mine, I do not want it to be too watery or too thick. So this is my cooked meat and stockfish together. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use chicken, you can use goat meat, any one of your choice. Seasoning cube, mangi, add salt to taste, add crayfish, black soup without crayfish. Well, it's optional if you don't have crayfish, it's still fine. But if you have crayfish at home, that's to it to give it that unique and yummy tasty soup that everybody will be licking their hand. They're very well. See how beautiful this soup is looking. So it's time to add a fish. You add the fish last because you don't want to fish the pieces inside the soup. Cook for 10 minutes again so that this soup will enter the fish. Oh, it's really good. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Share, leave your comments. And I want you to try this soup. Just 2 ingredients: bitter leaf. As the name implies, don't worry, it's not bitter. It's just that name, bitter leaf, is not bitter. Yes. Stir gently because of the fish so that it will not get pieces. Thank you for watching, and please watch more of my video. Share my video out. Bye bye.